Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to make your PowerPoint for your culture project for the country you picked. So first we're gonna click on the application that says Microsoft PowerPoint. And right here, it'll bring you to pick a design, a new PowerPoint. You're gonna click on new if you're not here. And personally, I like this one, so I'm gonna click on that one. And it'll take you to your presentation. So first off, you're gonna start with your title page, and I want you to put the country you picked. So I'm gonna use an example. I'm gonna put Mexico. And down here, I'm gonna put by my name, Jacqueline Acosta. And so to add a new slide, we're gonna go right here where it says new slide, and we're gonna add a new slide. And you have different options. I'm gonna pick the title and content option. Up here, this is where you put the different information. So for example, I asked you guys to explain about the flag. So I'm gonna put flag. And then down here, I'm gonna put all my information about the flag. So for example, Mexico has a red, white, and green flag with a bird in the middle. And obviously you guys are going to have a bit more information, like the year it was made and what each color stands for. And then we want a picture. So up here where my mouse is, it says picture, and we're going to add a picture. So we're going to add a picture from online, where you could actually just add a picture directly from online by copying, and I'll show that one too. So first I'm going to click on online pictures, and I'm going to search up Mexico. Hopefully, oh yeah, first search. And then I'm going to insert the flag. Now you could do it the way I did it, or you could do it this way too. So we're going to go to our Google Chrome, and then over here, and then we're going to type in Mexico's flag. And then we're going to go on images, and down here, we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to right click, and it should show us this. Right here, I'm going to pick copy image, and then go back to my PowerPoint, and then do this, another right click, and then put paste image. And my image from there showed up. But it's a lot easier to just insert, to just put it from here and just pick pictures right here. It's a lot easier. I suggest you guys do that. Now, if we're gonna save our presentation, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, so you guys can work on it later and it doesn't delete all the work you've been doing. So we're gonna click up here on the save this presentation, and it's by the little house right here, and I'm gonna name mine Mexico so I could find it easily. I'm gonna save it right here, and then I'm gonna put save. And now, when I exit here, I'll find my presentation. So here we go. I'm going to show you again how to insert a new slide. So we click on the little down arrow and we pick a slide. Make sure to pick one that says title and content, or to content. Anything with content. So these two will be perfect. I don't want you guys to pick anything from down here. These are not going to help you put in your information. If anything, just pick this one. This one. Title and content. And we're going to put population. And then Mexico's population. If I could spell. Ease. And then you just write out how many people live there. I gave you guys the assignment, and this is how I want you guys to set it up.